Agriculture is the largest contributor in the Indian economy. In this article, we are going to talk about agriculture engineering and its complete career guidance. What is agriculture engineering? Agriculture engineering is also called as agriculture and biosystem of engineering. It deals with study and application of science and technology to develop and maintain agricultural processes and productions. Agriculture engineering is the collaboration of principles of engineering and biological science to associate other areas such as animal biology, plant biology, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and chemical engineering. It involves improving the agriculture farm machinery, farm structures, biogas, highly advanced technologies in the design and manufacture of agriculture products. Then, agriculture engineering as a career. Agriculture engineering is one of the emerging fields of engineering. It is one of the developing fields in India. There are plenty of options available in this course. You can work in both public and private sectors. You can work as a technical expert or engineering project in various sectors. Agriculture engineering get work in different organizations like Agriculture Machinery Manufacturing Organization, Departments of Agricultural Engineering, Food Industries, Agriculture Finance Corporation, Agro Industries, Dairy, Water Management and Recruiting Companies, NC Department of Agriculture, Farming Industry Consultants, Processing Agriculture Projects, Agricultural Universities, Tea Gardens and other domain. You can hire by national as well as international companies. You can get a handsome salary in this field. As an agricultural engineering graduate, you have a potential to start your own farm also. Agriculture engineering can sort out the problem concerning power supplies, efficiency of machines, pollution and environmental issues and so on. Then specialization. Here I am going to include some of the specializations of agriculture engineering. They are as follows: irrigation and drainage system, crop production, agricultural economics, dairy management, post-harvest technology, poultry and fish processing, soil and water engineering, agricultural waste management, food engineering, agricultural machinery design. Job profiles. There are different job roles in the fields of agriculture engineering. They are as follows: agricultural engineer, farm manager, agronomist, researcher, survey research agriculture engineer, project directors, food and beverage supervisor, head green keeper, project coordinators, directors of institutes, product design engineer. Then eligibility. The basic eligible criteria for diploma, UG and PG courses are as follows. For diploma courses, you should be passed in 10th board exams. For undergraduate level courses, some of the well-known colleges are conducting entrance exams like JEE, CET, AIEEE, SRM, EEE and so on for this course. You have to complete your 12th class with minimum 50% score along with PCM and preferably biology as a core subject. PCM, which is physics, chemistry and mathematics. For postgraduate level courses, you have to complete your UG level degree in agriculture, horticulture and its equivalent courses. You have to appear in entrance exams like GATE and so on. Courses and duration. The duration of diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate level courses are as follows. Diploma courses. The duration of diploma course is 2 years. Diploma in agriculture engineering. Then UG level courses. The duration of UG level courses is 4 years. Just BE in agriculture engineering and BTech in agriculture engineering. Then PG level courses. The duration of PG level courses is 2 years. ME in agriculture engineering, MTech in agriculture engineering. Cost of education. The approximate fee structure of agricultural engineering is range between 50,000 to 1 lakh. It is varying from different educational institutions according to their infrastructure and other features. Then leading educational institutions for agriculture engineering. Some of the top educational institutions for agriculture engineering in India are as follows: Indian Institute of Technology, Chennai, Integral University, Lucknow, Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore, SRM Institute of Technology, Chennai, the Nagotia College, Kolkata, CRM University, Bangalore, Lovely Professional University, Jalandhar, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. Then salary. The income of an agriculture engineer may vary according to their skills, knowledge, job position and experience. The average salary of an agriculture engineering fresher is around 50k to 35k per month. Top recruiting companies for agriculture engineering. Here I have listed some of the top leading recruiting companies for agriculture engineering. Agrotech Food, ITC Limited, PepsiCo India, Amul Dairy, Parle, Britannia India Limited, Nestle India Private Limited, Cadbury India Limited, Escorts, Braden, Frigorific Alana, and so on.